What happened, Pia? You're looking very disturbed. Are you thinking about something? Pia. Pia. There is something definitely troubling you. Tell me. Knowing you for so long, I can definitely tell something is wrong. If you don't want to tell, fine. I'm not asking you again.
Hey, nothing like that, yeah. What's there in telling you? It's just that I feel Rahul is no more interested in me. And his love after marriage is just fading day by day.
Are you mad? Don't I know about you both? You guys were seeing each other for 5 years and happily married. And I've always seen Rahul is so caring, so protective and possessive about you. All of us in a friend circle used to envy the closeness you both used to share. And used to tell any girl will be lucky to have a person like Rahul.
Yes, I also thought he's the best guy I can ever get. In fact, our first year of marriage was so perfect, so romantic. But trouble started from second year. Differences started cropping up. And our times together got reduced. And now, fights every day. And now, he spends most of his time in office and doesn't even have time for me. And you know what, Disha? Today is our second anniversary.
Hey, what are you saying? Happy anniversary! It's such a romantic day.
Romantic, but I don't think Rahul even remembers about it.
Yeah. Pia, these are all regular differences in any couple. You just need to talk out openly and sort out these things.
Okay, forget about me. You tell me how's life, yeah? What's new?
Same old stuff. None of the guys wants to marry me. And my parents are working overnight to find Mr. Right for me. Funny.
You still haven't changed, Disha. Acha, tell me, how's your grandfather, yeah? You were so attached to him.
He passed away, Pia.
Oh my God. When? I'm so sorry.
It's okay. He was old anyways. But you know, I've only heard the soul of a person who comes to see the one who they really love. I thought it's all imagination. But I really experienced it that day.
Sorry. Can't stop laughing. So, soul coming and all. Interesting then. Say.
You don't believe it. Nobody. But I really felt it that day. One midnight we heard someone knocking the door. I was sleeping in my room. My dad went and opened the door. I just walked into the living room to see who it was. And I saw my grandfather. He said he came to his friend's house and was leaving the next day early morning. So thought of coming and meeting us going before he leave. He looked at me and smiled. And he waved his hand. In fact, he asked me how am I doing. And after a few minutes, he just left. And we were wondering why he had come at this time. And why he had to leave so suddenly. Next day, we got a call from my dad's brother who was in Mangalore. Saying that my grandfather passed away early morning. We were all shocked.
Are you serious?
You know how much I like my grandpa.
Hey, come on, cheer up now. I can understand what you must have gone through.
Hey, I gotta go. There's one more guy coming to see me. Hope is Mr. Right. Chalo, see you later. I can't be late. And again, happy married anniversary.
Thank you. And wish you all the very best.
Thank you, Priya. See you.
See you.
Bye.
Bye. sorry, I was in shower.
I was trying you for so long, baby.
Why? What happened to you? Today, so many times you want to call me?
Was really missing you, yeah. Just want to be with you, yeah. Hey, let's go for a movie tonight.
Why? Today, no work in office?
Feel like kissing you, yeah. I'm coming home.
Rahul, shut up. Don't be so naughty and do some work now.
Be ready in the evening by 6. We'll go for a movie tonight.
Okay, I'll be ready by 6.
Love you.
Love you too.
Mwah.
Mwah. Bye.
Bye. Reshma, is everyone confirmed? Do one thing. What time is the meeting scheduled? Shifted to 5:30 now. For dinner. Hold on, Reshma. My wife is calling me. Let me take this call. Just hold on.
Hello. Rahul.
Pia, how many times have I told you? If I'm on a call, that means I'm busy with work. You don't have to call again and again.
But Rahul,
Don't you understand?
you know what day today?
Listen, I'm busy. I'll call you later.
Hello. But Rahul. Hello. Rahul. Rahul. Hello.
Yes, Reshma. Hey, sorry for keeping you waiting here. So, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. Tell me. No, not today. It's my second anniversary. Hey, thank you. Got to go to City Market to pick up some things. In fact, plan some surprises. Okay, guys, carry on for dinner. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Happy anniversary, sweetheart. Hope I'm not too late.
You. Don't talk to me. Now you thought of me, huh? How many times did I call you?
Hey, my sizzling brownie. I'm really sorry. Please understand. I was extremely busy in work, but still I took time just to be with you.
Don't lie. I know you forgot our anniversary. You don't even have time for me. Tell me who reminded you about our anniversary? Who?
Pia, don't be stupid. I was stuck at City Circle. If I was not aware, I wouldn't have planned a surprise for you. For being such an amazing wife.
Don't try and flatter me. What is it, huh? Was a surprise? Stop it. And tell me what's a surprise?
Not here. Go get ready. We are going out for dinner. There's a bigger surprise for you.
Oh, really? Okay, give me 5 minutes. I'll get ready and come back.
Hey, do you need any help in getting ready?
Shut up. You stay there. That's your punishment. I'll be right back. Rahul, phone. Rahul. Rahul, where are you? Rahul. Hello.
Hello,
Yes.
is it Mr. Rahul's residence?
Yes. May I know who's this?
Madam, I'm City Circle Inspector here. Am I speaking to Mrs. Rahul?
Yes, you are. This is regarding.
Madam, I need your help. We need you to come down here to City Circle.
Me?
Yes.
I mean, for what?
Well, we need your help in confirming identity.
What? Whose identity?
Madam, sorry. There was an accident in City Circle and our preliminary inquiry confirms. I'm sorry to say this, Mr. Rahul is no more.
Inspector, with all due respect, I guess you've dialed the wrong number. And for your very kind information, Mr. Rahul has reached home just half an hour ago and we are going for dinner together.
Your number is 080267177786, right?
That's right.
I'm sorry. Madam, we just got this number from the wallet we recovered.
But that's impossible. He's just home few minutes back and we're going out for dinner together.
If you're saying he's there, can you please give the phone to him?
Just a moment. I'll just call him. Rahul! Rahul? Rahul? Rahul?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Is he there?
No, Inspector. But how? I mean, he was just here.
Mrs. Rahul, please calm down. Why don't you try on his mobile?
Mobile?
Hello? 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 Hello?
Rahul? You?
Hey, what happened to you? Why are you sitting down and crying?
Where were you, Rahul?
I was here only. What happened?
I was looking for you everywhere.
Sorry, yeah. I forgot my wallet in the car. Had gone to pick it up.
And where's your phone? I was even trying to reach you on your phone.
My mobile? Oh, it got switched off.
I love you.
I love you too. Let's leave.
We're not going anywhere. I'm not leaving you today.
Hey, okay.